This is how you install grips on the click reel. The reel already comes with a molded-in grip that is used for most people. But if you have a patient who has any hand dexterity or strength issues, adding one of these grips might really help. We offer two grips. The Comfort grip ring, a little lower profile. It has a soft touch feel that increases the turning power for patients with dexterity issues. We also have the Power grip. This provides a soft touch feel that increases turning power for patients with dexterity issues and hand strength issues. Here's how you apply them to the reel. We prefer, most times, to install the grip while the reel is already attached to the socket. This is just a simple gluing process. Just take a little barge cement. And I'm going to take my grip, I'm just going to turn it inside out. And that gives me nice access to be able to just brush the glue onto the inside surface of the grip. Okay, I'm going to turn that right side out again. And then, remembering my orientation marks, I'm just going to put the little arrow down on the table. If the reel's been used, it's great to take a little acetone and just prepare the surface of that dial so it's nice and clean. Then, I'll carefully add some cement to the exterior grip of the dial. Normally for contact cement, you want to let the cement dry a bit before adhering the two pieces. We, however, recommend placing the grip onto the dial before it's totally dry, just so you have a bit of possibility to orient the grip and place it just where you want it before it really adheres. Now, there may be a little bit of glue residue. This just comes off really nicely with a little bit of acetone, or you can just rub it right off with your fingers when it's dry. We recommend letting that glue set for about 20 minutes before you start using the dial to generate force. That's the process of adding a grip onto a click reel.